to see you again. Yes, that's right. As you know, you've all been suffered from coronavirus for 1 year. Yes, that's right. Coronavirus kills. Yes, that's right. It can kill you human beings. So what we need to do, Vimana man has come up with some help to help you in your daily routine in the bathroom. Yes, that's right. You guys all use the bathroom, maybe a family of 10 or maybe a family of 7. It doesn't really matter. You all use the bathroom. So the bathroom is number one focal point of the house. So what you need to do now is you need to clean the bathroom thoroughly. If you can do this once a month, that can get rid of some germs and bacteria all around your bathroom. And then we can be a bit more healthier. Yes, that's right. This gadget here is actually a steam cleaner. Yes, that's right. You actually take the top off here and screw it, put the water in there, and then you also need a lead to connect this onto an extension lead, and then when it's hot, it comes up with a red there on, and then when it's ready, it comes green. Yes, that's right. So today, Vimana man, special coronavirus cleaning regime. Yes, that's right. I want you earthlings to survive this pandemic that we're all going through. Yes, that's right. And I've come up with a solution to help you guys survive, because I'm the man who can make you survive. So I'm going to put this away and let's do an intro. Yep, world famous Vimana man has come from Vimana to see you again. Yes, 2021, and I hope we well and fighting fit. So let's get on with the action and start doing this steam cleaning. So what we got here, you can either wear gloves if you want or a mask, it's up to you. And then wash your hands as well. So basically, I'll take off the toilet seat right now, and this is one of the main prime areas that everybody sits on. So I'll take it off the toilet seat, and you look at this steam that's coming out. Yes, yes, right. Nice hot steam that's coming out right now, and clean it all out as well. Yes, yes, right. Clean it all out nice and thoroughly, and yeah, this should really look fantastic when it's all done. And you can also turn it upside down as well and give it a nice clean as well. This is plastic, so plastic is very good because you can just clean it really nicely. Look at that steam just getting away, getting rid of all the germs. Now we're going to start on with the bath as well. You can clean the bath like this as well. Give it a nice pressure. Yes, that's right. Give it a nice cleaning. Yeah, you can actually pre-clean it as well with a bathroom clean if you want to do that. And now we're going to start cleaning the bathroom fittings as well. Yeah, clean that nice handset and clean all these handles. Everybody touches these handles as well. Give it a nice thorough clean. Yes, yes, right. Now we're going to start cleaning towels. Yes, yes, right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Yes, yes, right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And now we're going to go up and down as well, vertical and horizontally. Yes, yes, right. It's all about getting rid of all the dirt around everywhere. Yes, yes, right. Now we're going to start cleaning his feet as well. Yes, yes, right. Start cleaning his handles everywhere as well. Yeah, give it a nice good thorough clean. Yeah, give it a nice thorough clean, steam cleaning, and clean all this. Look at this nice temperature. You can't even do this with your hands as well. Proper steam cleaning, this is called. Yes, yes, right. Proper steam cleaning. Right, now we're going to start cleaning his toilet as well. Yeah, give it a nice pre-clean if you want to do that. And give it a nice clean on all the fittings everywhere you go on, because everybody sits on it as well. Yeah, let's get rid of the germs once and for all. Yeah, 1 year of germs, and get a look at his handle as well. Nice cleaning, steam cleaning. Yes, yes, right. Start cleaning, you lazy earthlings. About time you start doing some work, you lazy earthlings. Yes, yes, right. Right, now you can start cleaning these towel radiator as well, nothing wrong with that. Yeah, give it a good jet blast in on this steam as well. Yeah, hot temperature. Yes, yes, right, give it a big blast. get rid of all the viruses that are around everywhere. Yeah, and if you want to do this toilet fit, you can do that as well. And you can start the same thing, start cleaning these tiles as well. I've got a hand dry machine there. I'm going to get it clean from the top quickly as well. Yeah, that's right. This is a quick video to show you how you can do a thorough cleaning with this coronavirus steam cleaning. You can buy that from any shop you want, DIY shop. It's not a coronavirus cleaning machine, it's actually a steam cleaner. So you can buy any of this sort of steam cleaning machine. Yeah, you can go online and I'm sure you can find this as well. Right, you can start cleaning this basin as well. Give it a good steam cleaning. Yes, that's right. All your dirty earthling hands in the household, you need to start cleaning these hands and handles as well. Yes, that's right. You can clean the pedestrian as well. Yeah, clean the tiles as well and give the mirror a clean as well. Yes, that's right. So I'm going to clean also the windows as well. Give it nice clean as well. You can nice clean the windows, UPVC windows. Yeah, give it nice clean. Do you know what? I've just spent an hour here right now, and it's time to relax. Yes, that's right. Let's give this sign a relax clean here right now, because I can do that, because I'm the world famous Vimana man. Look at this nice relaxing sign. Well, this was a quick video for you earthlings. Yes, that's right. And afterwards, what you can do, get a little sponge and start wiping it over with a disinfectant. Just a quick wipe over the toilet seat and all any of the things you want to do that. So yes, that's right. So this was a special video for you earthlings. World famous Vimana man has done it once again. So anyway, I must go right now because it's an emergency. And when it's an emergency, I have to go back. Yes, that's right. They need me back at Vimana because I've got a meeting to go to. Yes, that's right. There's a lot of pollution in the air right now, and I have to start cleaning it all out right now. Yes, that's right. We're going to get the Vimana big massive hoover and start hoovering up all the atmosphere, dust and everything, all the germs out there, and start getting rid of it somewhere. Yes, that's right. Anyway, I must go right now. So see you soon and be good. I'll see you soon. Ciao for now and listen to some great music.